February showers bring general misery. There's nothing good about this, and it just keeps on raining. And unfortunately, yeah, the MaxTrack Live is lit up. You've got green on your screen, and it's not just green. There's embedded areas of moderate, even at times, some heavy rain that have been cruising through, but also some decent breaks. So it's not, soggy 24/7 here. We're getting some occasional breaks in the action, then it'll fill back in again. The issue with this is just going to keep coming at us over the next 24 to 36 hours, and we've got another wave possibly building in later this week. The heaviest rain has been into western Kentucky down towards Arkansas and Missouri. Parts of western Kentucky even wetter than we are, but you can easily see that moisture feed as it streams out of the southwest, cruising through Paducah and Bowling Green, heading in our direction. Winter weather, northern Missouri. Thankfully, we're not dealing with that, although we had a hint of it yesterday morning. And there you go, your soggy Ohio Valley. Rainfall totals generally about an inch or two as you head west, then some 3 to 4 pushing 5-inch totals as you get down south and west. So it's been much heavier in that direction, but we've still been wet and we're still trapped between an approaching low and a warm front, eventually down south, and a stalled front to our north. So we're caught in this stagnant, soggy pattern. A flood watch still in effect that goes through 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon here in the Bluegrass around dinner time south and east. And the first, the canary in the coal mine, I guess, as it is as far as flooding goes, the first areas to flood are the usual suspects, and it's happening. You got the Elkhorn Creek near Peaks Mill, flood warning there. Flood advisory out for the Licking River at Blue Springs. A flood warning out for the Stoner Creek at Paris, always the first to go up there in Bourbon County. Rolling Fork River out near Boston, Nelson County, western Nelson County, also a warning out. So we've picked up about a ½ inch to almost 9/10 of an inch of rain in Louisville. That's since midnight. And if you bump it out to 2 days worth, since it started yesterday, Adair County, it's had almost 1.5 inches. And it's still coming. We may throw another inch or two onto this total before it finally wraps up tomorrow. The future track showing the moisture backing off a little bit, still wet, but it'll pick up renewed intensity, heavier rain, and some gusty showers out there into tomorrow morning before it finally tracks east tomorrow evening. And then some snow showers possible on the back end. Got to watch out with saturated soil and that cold front tracking through. Wind gusts, watch this, is getting a Tuesday morning, could pop anywhere between 30 to over 40 miles per hour. That means we could have some weaker trees topple. Areas that are saturated, it's easier for that to happen. The roots can't hold, so we'll have to watch out for that as well. And yes, it's dreary. It's 47 degrees. I mean, we're above freezing. That's a plus, but that's not really much to help you out there as far as the general nastiness of the day. Jackson's socked in with low cloud cover, rain, and of course some fog is an issue as well. So we're in the 40s now. The highs are going to be, up and down and up and down. There you go. You can see the nature of the progress of it. And your 8-day forecast shows the precipitation to go along with it. As we dry out, we cool down. So we'll hit 60 tomorrow and then fall to the 40s. Behind that cold front, and then make it back to the 50s Thursday. Another round of soggy weather Friday. Maybe, Chris, a slightly better chance for some winter weather on the back end of that one Saturday morning.
Tom, thank you.